Hi, Alison here from Gardening by Design with a quick video tip on ivy in the garden. Ivy must be one of the most recognisable plants, even from a cartoon, and surely there can't be a garden in the UK that doesn't have it somewhere, intentional or not. I let this ivy grow up the end wall of our house, greening the wall without taking up extra space and providing a sheltered spot for insects to hunker down through the winter. But you can see that we cut it back each autumn to keep it well away from the gutters and roof and stop it getting bushy out from the wall. Ivy is one of the self-clinging climbers, which means that it doesn't need wires to support, but attaches itself to the wall or fence or whatever with these aerial roots coming out of the main stems, which stick it on. Ivy is not parasitic, so even where it climbs up a tree, the roots are simply there to keep it up, not to take any nutrition. But you can also see that when the stems die back, they still cling to the wall. It's not damaging the brickwork here, but it is an awful job to get the last remnants off and clean the wall. Another reason to prune your ivy back is to limit the height. You can see in this photograph that although the ivy is growing up the wall, it's then happily growing 60-80 centimetres higher and wafting above the top of the wall, but it isn't strong enough to be self-supporting, so eventually it will begin to cascade down both sides, and subsequently you get a huge thick growth, like I say, 60 or 80 centimetres above the height of the wall or a fence as well, which is heavy, catches the wind in winter, and in certain circumstances can in fact bring down the fence or crack the top coping stones off a wall. If you have a mature ivy plant and want to retain these rather space-age looking flowers in late autumn and the berries for birds in the winter, then the time to prune is in early spring after hibernation and before the birds start nesting inside.
There's more information about how the box of tricks can help you to plan, plant and look after your plot on my Gardening by Design website, where you can also buy topics and sign up for the newsletter. I hope to see you again soon. Happy gardening!